All right, we're back in Bloomingdale again, and this is 183 South Bloomingdale Road. Apparently there is an old elevator in here. Whew, it is cold today. It looks like there's our elevator right there. Looks original to me, too. And indeed, it is original. It's beeping at us, though. Oh, it's not the elephant. What the hell? Oh, it's the defibrillator that's beeping. Not the elevator beeping. All right, down to B. Three is locked. Very impatient door timer. This is a pretty cool little elevator. It's got a nice bell. I definitely like this thing. This is definitely a neat little elevator. And not in the kind of building you'd expect to have one. This is a very small building. It does not look big from the outside either. All right, up to 2. Nice. And really fast, let's just see that down chime. Awesome. This is definitely a nice elevator. Anyway, we'll have a quick look around the building before I end the video. Awesome little 1970s office complex here. Anyway, that will be it.